Hello everyone, my name is Mira. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm excited to present Bill Splitter mobile application. We call it ShareTheTab. It's an AI-powered receipt scanner and bill splitter. It was an individual assignment for AI 7993. It's a capstone for section W01 for the spring semester, and this is the final presentation under Dr. Arthur Choi, and let's dig in. A little bit about agenda and content of what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to throw in a little bit introduction of what the ShareTheTab is about. We're going to show you the problem statement, a little bit about the software development for this application, tech stack, and a little bit key features, and we definitely gonna do the project demo for that project. So let's dig in. All right, ShareTheTab. So what is exactly ShareTheTab? It's a mobile application that uses AI-powered OCR, which is optical character recognition, to automatically extract the itemized data from your restaurant receipt in a state of struggling with a pen and paper and doing a calculation work right here and fighting who owes what. ShareTheTab does it all for you. Just take a picture of the receipt or upload it, and it will calculate each person's share of the bill, including taxes and tips. And if there is anything wrong, you can manually adjust it too. It's that simple. So what was the problem? We all go to a restaurant and it comes to the billing. Maybe one person will have to pay for the whole bill. And after that, we're going to have to use a pen and paper and kind of figure out who owes what. We have been there. We all sit at that table after a meal trying to figure out how to split the bill. The process usually takes time, consuming, and there's a lot of errors going on in that. And it can lead to definitely awkward moments. Especially difficult when the receipt is not itemized clearly or when some items are shared. That's where the ShareTheTab comes in. It removes all the stress from this process. The problem we are solving is simple. We are making bill splitter easier, faster, and more accurate. So let's go a little bit about how we develop this application. We identified the problem of sharing the tab and splitting the item. So we'll talk a little bit about the software development cycle. In the planning phase, we identified the key feature we wanted in this application. OCR, so it can actually extract the text from a picture, and you can do that by scanning or automatic uploading the picture. And it automatic is bill splitting and user-friendly manual adjustment. The design phase involved in creating a user interface which is so friendly, so everyone can use it and it's so easy to use. We use Flutter, which allowed me to create an application that you can use it in iOS and Android user. During development, we integrated OCR to scan and extract receipt data. We also designed an efficient algorithm for calculating the amount each user owes, including the taxes and the tips. The testing phase involved through testing for accuracy. So we tried, because it's an AI powered, we tried a couple of the receipt to see if there was any issue adding the right items or making sure the items are all involved after the scanning. And we had a little bit of feedback of the collection of these testing. Finally, we deployed the application and we were able to use it. Tech stack, what we use for this application. So we build it using Flutter, which is Dart, for building cross-platform mobile application, again, to be able to use it for iOS users and Android users as well. There is an OCR that was involved for us to be able to extract the items from a picture that is taken. And then we designed material for a clean and responsible UI. And the version control we used in there, it was Git for the version control and GitHub for the code hosting and a collaboration. Key feature. So you snap a picture of the receipt or you upload the picture of the receipt. OCR itemize the items from that receipt into a text, and the user will be able to add the names of who was presenting or who's involving in that receipt. And it's easy assigning each item to each person from that receipt. Then you add the percentage of the percentage or the amount of the tax and the tips, and the calculation then happen for that. So each person will be responsible for their own itemized tax and tips. So the tips is divided by the share people in that receipt, and the tax involved of each item, how much tax for that item. Then you can manually override it if there was any mistake happen in there. And then after that, the Flutter application shows how much each person owes. We talked a lot. Let's show a little bit the display of the demo right here. So come on in there. Share the tab. I'm gonna enter a couple of these people here. So I'm gonna enter Mira. I went out with my friend Mario and Nancy. I'm gonna upload my receipt right here. Here we are. A little bit slow down to show you the receipt. We have a taco and shrimp, which was $14. We have a salad, chicken salad, which was $12. And we have a Coke that was $1.99. I will hit enter for the names. And then let's submit that. The tax amount for this restaurant was actually 7%. Okay? And the tip amount, we were so generous, so we actually tipped that people $30. Let's say I actually get the first item, which was the taco. Mario get the salad, and Nancy actually just get the drink. Okay? After I insert all the information right now, let's calculate. So that show me Mira owes the $24.98. Mario owes the $22 and Nancy owes the $11.99. Okay? So easy and simple as that. Let's go back again here. All right. So as I mentioned before, ShareTheTab is a simple yet powerful solution to common problem. It automates the bill splitting process, saving you time and eliminate any mistake that or error can happen. With a smooth, user-friendly interface and the power of AI, this application is designed to make your life easier when dining in with or dining out with a friend. I'm excited to see how it can be improving the dining experience for users everywhere. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day. Thank you.